To do that, you need to go on settings, just and you need to find all the settings, press on setting, and then you need to go on the system, and then you need to turn on multitasking. You need to turn on multitasking, and then you need to press on the arrow section, and you need to enable all the things. And if your all the settings is enabled, and then the settings is okay. To do multitasking, and you need to just press on arrow, and then just you can select anything as you wish. Just if you want to select two split screen, just simply press on that. You can see two screen is enabled, and now you can do other things as you wish. Just if I want to open it and just simply press on that. So here, three systems are opening right here. So if you can use it here, if you wish, you can delete it as you wish. If you want, you can scroll down, you can make it minimize as you wish. So by this process, you can do it very easily.